A lot of people don't know this. They don't know that their urine is a sham destroyer. It can actually break spells. Today's video will help you to know how to use it wisely. You're welcome back. So in today's video, like the title says, I'll be sharing another spiritual topic that will help you greatly, that will enlighten you, that will help you in different areas of your spiritual life. You doing them rightly, you see things working perfectly. In case you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Pamela. I share spiritual messages and tips on this channel. I don't do spiritual work. I don't sell spiritual items. So beware of scammers. Consider subscribing if you love this channel. Also like and share this video. Let's go. In case you are using urine, you are doing urine spiritual work, like I always say, use your early morning urine for this, for that. So in case you are new here, urine can actually help in so many ways spiritually. Your own urine is powerful, but with prayers and faith, you see them working. Urine has a cleansing power and also a manifesting power. You can use it in different areas of your spiritual life and you see your wishes manifesting, mainly for cleansing and protection. So I've discussed about how to use it early morning, fetching your early morning urine, most especially early morning urine, in different ways. But you have to also know this. While you are using it for cleansing, to have your baths, you should also have this in mind. If you are the type that carries sham, you are plotting evil for someone, those things are against spiritual work, of course. You have to keep your ways upright so that your spiritual work will work for you. But in case you are doing urine cleansing, or your own urine always touches your body, or another person's urine, even if it's your baby's urine, is touching your body, have it in mind that it can destroy shams and spells. This channel, we don't do bad spells or sham. We only do spiritual work, like using some things created by God, doing it with faith to help yourself, not to harm anybody. So in case you are going above, trying to go one place to the other, getting shams and spells to hurt anybody or to make anybody to love you, know that as soon as that urine touches your body, that spells or sham becomes ineffective. Like, it's just going to render it useless. If you use it after that, it will not work. If you are the type that have incision, bad incision, I'm not talking about the old ones. If you have gotten some tribal mark or any kind of incision that is meant to protect or to make people to like you or whatsoever, and it's been a long time, you are now repented and you do this cleansing of using urine, touching your body, no problem about that. In fact, that former sham is gone. But if you are the one that after the cleansing you started carrying shams and spell, just know that that sham is broken. It will not work again. I don't support this, but just know that it will not work. There are lots of things that those places that some people enter, diabolic places, they will tell you they will help you, they will do this for you. But some will not tell you the dangers that comes with it. They will not tell you that if you do this, this will happen to you. It can even cause madness. If you go to any diabolic place to harm anybody, to plot evil for anybody, and urine or another person's urine touches you, whatever thing you plan for that person will come back to you. Just have it in mind. Urine is a sham breaker, is a sham destroyer, spell destroyer, is anti-poison if you know how to use it in that way. If you harbor all these things at home, after doing cleansing with urine, then you now want to go and touch it, or after touching it to protect you or to do any kind of thing you want it to do for you, then you now go and touch urine or somebody's urine touches you, just know that it will not work. I'm not talking about spiritual work on this channel. If you do cleansing or do spiritual work for progress, for protection, and you touch urine, that one is not the one I mean. I'm talking about the one you got from evil source. As soon as urine touches you, that sham will be broken, and it's all for good, of course, because you tie somebody in bondage, holding someone in captivity. It is not a good thing. Urine will break it and destroy it. If you plan for that person to run mad, that madness has a high tendency to come back to you. So this is what you should know about urine. So in case you do urine cleansing and you also go back and be serving another god, getting power from evil source to help you in different ways, know that that urine will break it, and you may not like the outcome. I'm not saying you should not do urine cleansing, but if your heart is not clean, your mind is not clean, you are doing evil, do not come close to urine work. This is just to help you. So I'm not saying that it's only urine that can break sham. Just take notes. So this is not to encourage people that are doing bad. No way. There are lots of things that can make that evil thing that you're planning for somebody to go back to you, or to break you down, if possible to even kill one. If you try evil for someone that is highly spiritual, highly spiritually protected, that evil have a very, like 100% to go back to you or to hurt you. So just take note and be very, very careful. May God bless you. So in case you have not gone through my videos, okay, just go through them, and by the grace of God, it will help you greatly. I'm going to leave a link on the comment section below. That link is a story. It's a very good story, African tale. It's about a girl with a magic stick. It's a spiritual one, but it's something that has happened a long time ago. Not like a fiction. Okay, so you can just support that channel. It's mine. I also share spiritual tips on that channel. Just support me, okay? Because once in a while I'll be sharing some stories there. I will appreciate. May God bless you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share, and like this video. I will see you next time.